Parrots, intelligent and talented birds. Meet the fascinating world of parrots, one of the most intelligent and talented bird species on Earth. Their vibrant colors and charismatic personalities captivate bird lovers worldwide. Parrots possess remarkable cognitive abilities, rivaling that of young children. These birds can solve puzzles, learn tricks, and even understand human languages with astonishing accuracy. One of the most extraordinary talents of parrots is their ability to mimic sounds. From imitating human speech to copying everyday noises, their vocal versatility is impressive. Parrots are social creatures that thrive on interaction. In the wild, they live in flocks, communicating through complex vocalizations and body language to maintain social bonds. These birds use tools, a sign of advanced intelligence. Some species, like the Goffin's cockatoo, have been observed crafting makeshift tools to access food, showcasing their problem-solving skills. Each parrot species has its own unique characteristics. For instance, the African Grey Parrot is renowned for its exceptional talking ability, while the Macaw is famous for its striking plumage. Caring for a parrot requires commitment and understanding of their needs. They need mental stimulation, physical activity, and social interaction to stay healthy and happy. Parrots are long-lived, with some species reaching up to 80 years. This longevity means a lifelong commitment for those who choose to keep them as pets. Conservation efforts are crucial for protecting parrot species facing habitat loss and illegal trade. Supporting such initiatives helps ensure these intelligent birds continue to thrive in the wild. Parrots play a vital role in their ecosystems. They help with seed dispersal, contributing to forest regeneration and maintaining biodiversity in their natural habitats. Their intelligence and playful nature make parrots popular companions. However, potential owners must educate themselves to meet these birds' complex needs and avoid impulsive decisions. By understanding and appreciating parrots' intelligence and talents, we can foster a deeper connection with these amazing creatures and contribute to their preservation for future generations.